Stand here in silence, listening to your guidance. Stand here in silence, listening to your guidance. I stand here alone with an open heart, open arms. God, I want your will to be done. God, I know you have heard these words many times before. Honestly, it was a lie. Honestly, it was a lie. And now I know deep in my soul, it's the right way to go. Standing here in silence, listening to your guidance. Standing here in silence, listening to your guidance. Speak to me, dear Lord, I'm listening. Take control of my life, let your plans unfold. God, even though I want everything now, give me the patience to wait for your timing. And now I know deep in my soul, it's the right way to go. Standing here in silence, listening to your guidance.
Everyone, this is the CEO of Coco Pranksters. Hola mi gente y mi latinos, and everyone else who's watching this video. Thank you for all the countries that have been supporting us. We realize some people in Vietnam have been watching us, some people in Mexico, some people in the United States. All over the world we're getting views, and we just want to thank all the viewers right here. We are getting lots of views on our videos only because of you guys, and we just want to make sure that you guys know that you are important to us. Thank you for watching us all the time. We got disclaimer videos with our grandpa, we judge, Supreme Court, all this fun stuff, and we want to let you guys know that it will be even better if you subscribe to us, because then you'll be able to watch our videos through YouTube's main page. So subscribe.